Welcome to the Math School by IFRA. In this video, we are going to discuss percentage problems. Okay. In general, to express one quantity A as a percentage of another quantity B, we write A as a fraction of B. And then we multiply the fraction A over B by 100% to convert it to a percentage. Okay, let's have a look at some of the examples. Our pupil scored 108 out of 150 marks in mathematics and 96 out of 160 marks in English. Find the percentage marks for both the subjects. Now the pupil's percentage marks for maths is equal to 108 given over 150 into 100%. That turns out to be 72%. And the pupil's percentage marks for English is equal to 96 divided by 160 into 100%, that is 60%. Okay, if 75% of the pupils in a class of 40 passed a mathematics test, how many of them failed? Now the number of pupils who passed the test is equal to 75% of the 40 pupils. So 75 over 100 into 40 is equal to 3 by 4 into 40, that is 30. So the number of pupils who passed the test is 30. And the number of pupils who failed the test is equal to total number of pupils minus the number of pupils who passed the test, that is 10. So the 10 students failed the test. Okay. After 6% of a bill has been deducted, 282 remains to be paid. How much was the original bill? Now let X dollars be the original bill. After 6% of the bill being deducted, 94% remains to be paid. So 94% of X is $282. 94 over 100 into X is 282. 0.94X is 282. So X is equal to 282 over 0.94. That turns out to be $300. So the original bill was $300. Okay, let's have a look at some of the problems. A man spends $80 every month. Out of this, 26% goes to rent. How much is the rent? Amount of money that goes to the rent is equal to 26% of $880. So 26 over 100 into 880, that is $228.80. So the amount of money he pays for rent is $228.8. Okay. A house costs 36% more today than when it was built. If the original cost of the house was $90,000, find its price today. Now, today the house is 36% more expensive. So the price of the house today is 136% of 90,000. So 136 over 100 into 90,000, that is $122,400. Okay, let's have a look at another question. A car costs $27,000 when new. After 1 year, its value is $25,380. What is the percentage decrease in the value of the car? Now the cost of the new car is $27,000. Cost of the car after 1 year is $25,380. So decrease in the value of the car is 27,000 minus 25,380, that is $1,620. So percentage decrease in the value of the car is 1620 over 27,000 into 100%, that is 6%. So the percentage decrease in the value of the car is 6%. Okay, after spending 88% of his income, a man had $216 left. Find his income. Now let X dollars be the man's income. Income left after spending 88% of the income is 100 minus 88, that is 12% remains. 12% of the total man's income is equal to 216. It is given, that is 216 was left. So 12 over 100 into X is 216. 0.12X is 216 and X is equal to 216 over 0.12, that is $1,800. So the man's income is $1,800. Okay, let's have a look at another question. If 10% is deducted from a bill, then $58.50 remains to be paid. How much is the bill? Now let X dollars be the bill. Since 10% is deducted from the bill, so 100 minus 10, 90% remains. So 90% of X is $58.50. 90 over 100 into X is 58.5. 90 over 100 is 0.9. X is equal to $58.5. So X is equal to $65. Okay, at a sale, the price of a cupboard was lowered by 16% to $180. What was the original price of the cupboard to the nearest dollar? Now let X dollars be the original price of the cupboard. The price was lowered by 16%. So the new price will be 84%. Price lowered to $180. So 84% of X is $180. 84 over 100 into X is 180. 0.84x is 180. X is 180 over 0.84. So X is $214.29. Okay. If the cost of an article is raised by 9% to $654, what is the original price of the article? Now let X dollars be the original price of the article. Since the article is raised by 9%, then it is 109%. 109% of X is $654. 109 over 100 into X is $654. So 1.09x is $654. So X is equal to 654 over 1.09, that is $600. So the original price of the article is $600. Okay, a man's new income is $840 per month. Given that his original income was $750 per month, find the percentage increase in his monthly income. Now the man's new income is $840. Man's original income was $750. Increase in the income is 840 minus $750, that is $90. So percentage increase in monthly income is 90 over 750 into 100, that is 12%. So the percentage increase in his monthly income was 12%. Okay, the cost of a television set is raised from $600 to $624. Find the percentage increase. Original cost of the television is $600. New raised price of television is $624. The increase is $624 minus $600, that is $24. So the percentage increase is equal to increase over original cost into 100%. So that is 24 over 600 into 100%. That is 4%. So the percentage increase in the price of the television was 4%. Okay. An elastic band which is 72 centimeter long is stretched to 90 centimeter. Find the percentage increase in its length. Now increase in length is equal to 90 minus 72, that is 18. Percentage increase is increase over original amount into 100%. That is 18 over 72 into 100%. So that is 25%. So the percentage increase in the length of the elastic band was 25%.